In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your calendar with others in Google Calendar. Sharing your calendar is really useful when you're coordinating with coworkers, classmates, friends, or family. It helps everyone stay on the same page about events, meetings, and availability without sending endless messages back and forth. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through each click so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and look at the list of calendars on the left side of the page. Find the specific calendar you want to share. When you hover your mouse over that calendar's name, you'll see 3 small dots appear to the right of it. Click on these 3 dots. This opens a small menu of options just for that calendar. From that menu, choose the option labeled Settings and Sharing. Go ahead and click that. This will take you to a dedicated settings page for your selected calendar, where you can adjust things like its name, time zone, and most importantly, who it's shared with. On this settings page, scroll until you find the section called Share with Specific People or similar wording. This is where you manage who can see or edit this calendar. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct calendar by checking the calendar name near the top of the page. In the Share with Specific People section, click on the button that says Add People and Groups. A small window or field will appear where you can type in the email addresses of the people you want to share your calendar with. Carefully type in each email address, and if you're adding more than one person, you can add them one after another. Next, look for the permissions drop-down next to the email field. Here, you can choose how much access they'll have, such as only seeing when you're busy, seeing full event details, or even making changes to events. Pick the level that makes sense for what you're trying to do. For example, if you're working closely with a teammate, you might allow them to see all event details and make changes. Once you have added the email addresses and set the permissions, click on Send. Google Calendar will send an invitation to each person, letting them know that your calendar has been shared with them. They may need to accept the invitation before it appears in their own Google Calendar, and that's it. You've successfully shared your calendar in Google Calendar, making it easier for everyone you've added to stay coordinated and up to date.